Today I'll walk on the Tri-Community Greenway trail. It was built on older railroad connection between the Winchester, Stoneham and Woburn. Currently I am in the city of Woburn, my apology, Winchester. You're watching the Mystic River. Mystic River runs through, I believe, three cities: Woburn, Winchester, and Medford, then end in Atlantic Ocean. You can hear the Winchester commuter rail sound. Winchester Center commuter rail station. From here you can go north by the Gloucester, I believe, or if you go inbound, Boston. So city of Woburn is like a middle class. Currently I am in Winchester, which is upper class. Very nice quiet town. On the left is the Mystic River. This is the commuter rail track on the right, behind the tree. I'll stop here for the flower. Beautiful wildflower. And continue walking on the Tri-Green Trail. Sometimes you can see some big carpfish, but it's not edible. At the beginning of the summer, when the rain a lot of baby herring fish comes from the sea. Easy to catch. I catch by hand few times. Winchester field. I can go hours and hours on Tri-Green Trail, but for today I think I'll finish in here. So as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave comments what you want to see in Boston.